Well, believe it or not, fall is just around the corner, and with that comes the fall registration for all of the great programs at the Thunder Bay 55 Plus Centre. I'm here again with Krista Power. Krista, fall registration. What should people be registering for?
Oh my goodness, there's so many options, so many choices. Everything from general interest to visual arts to fitness. So many great programs. A lot of our programs are ongoing, and certainly people can get involved. We also have a lot of great introductory programs this fall. So if you've never taken a basket weaving class, for example, we have introductory basket weaving classes offered, introductory watercolors offered. So if you've never picked up a paintbrush, it's a perfect class to try that out with a fantastic instructor. We also have beginner computer classes. Again, so if you're someone who's been away from the computer for a while or is just a little bit foreign to what's happening with that, we have those classes available. Also music as well, which is a wonderful way to exercise your brain. Guitar and fiddle, both for basic beginners, and great instructors from the music place teaching those classes, so great opportunities there. Tons of classes available across the board though. Certainly come down and take a look. One of our new fitness classes is called Moving with Sticks, which is with Ann Parr, and it's a great fitness class that actually uses drumsticks, gym sticks, and pole walking sticks. So tons of fun, something totally different. And as always, try a class on us. Right. You can certainly come down and try a fitness class at no cost. All you have to do is pick up a card at the front desk, and any exercise classes is on us, and try it out and see if you like it.
Now, the gentlemen behind us are playing pool, so that you can come out and you can play pool as well. You don't have to take a class. You can come out and do other things.
Exactly. Fall registration certainly gears up with all of our registered programs, but we have a wonderful variety of daily activities that happen every day throughout the centre. Pool obviously is open every day for men and for women. You can certainly drop by, play cribbage, play floor shuffleboard, carpet bowling. There's again tons of options in that regard as well.
Okay, well thank you so much, Kristen. I know we also have a special guest here.
Absolutely. I'd love to introduce Jim Green from our board of directors to talk about our Motown mixer.
Okay, thanks so much, Krista. Jim, quickly, can you tell us about your Motown mixer that's happening?
Sure. On the third Thursday of September, the 20th of September, from 7 till 10, we're having a Motown mixer. Maverick Music Services is going to provide the sound. Normally we have a dance every Thursday of the month, but this is a special. It's going to be music by the Four Tops, the Supremes, the Jackson 5, and more from that era. It's going to be a great time. People can come out, dance, socialize, have some food, and it's only $7.
Okay, and they can get tickets from the centre?
Yes, they can, or just come out on 20th of September.
Great. Thank you so much, Jim. So everyone, you can come out to the Motown Mixer or come down to the Thunder Bay 55 Plus Centre and register for some of their great fall programs, or just come in for a cup of coffee at the cafe. There's lots more coming up on Shaw TV.